Hi, my name's Alex and I'm from Sony Ericsson. In this clip I'm going to show you the Sony Ericsson X10's 8.1 megapixel camera and the face recognition feature where it will recognise anything up to 5 faces in the one photograph. So to get started using the 8.1 megapixel camera on the X10, press and hold the camera key and it will load up the camera. As you can see, it will work in portrait mode and then it will also change and work in landscape mode. Starting from the left hand side, the first button is your capturing mode. You have normal, scene recognition, smile detection or touch capture. Smile detection basically only takes the photograph when the person smiles. Touch capture basically lets you take the picture by deciding where the focus should be with your finger. Scene recognition looks at the conditions and automatically adjusts the camera to suit, and normal is as it says. The next option you have is your resolution size. It's currently set to 8 megapixels, but you can drop that down to 6, 2 or even smaller 2 with a 16:9 ratio. The next option you have is scenes. On here you've got normal, portrait, landscape, a night scene, night portrait, beach and snow, sports, party and document. Each of these accustom themselves to make the camera work in these conditions. For example, document will put the handset into macro mode so it can pick up in the finer detail of the text on the document. Below that we have the focus mode. You have single autofocus, multi autofocus, macro, face detection and infinity. Each one of these can be changed or custom to different types of photographs that you're going to take. At the very bottom you have the ability to switch it from camera to video mode. You also have your previous 5 shots in a reel across the bottom, so if you ever want to view any previous photographs taken you simply press on it here. On this side you have your exposure levels, so you can change this by grabbing the bar and dragging it up and down the display, and then below that you have your full reel. So if I press on here, this will load up every single photograph that I've taken using the camera. To come back out of that, press the key at the top. If I go into a photograph that I've previously taken, you can see that as it recognises faces, it will say above whether those faces are known or not. If they're not, you can then tap on the unknown part and then select change name. What this will then do is look through your whole phone book and give you the chance to choose from any of your numbers and names in the phone book. Once you've done that, it'll then tag the name so that you can go and view that contact at any point by just looking at the photograph. To take a photograph, you can simply press the camera key at the top right hand corner here, or as I mentioned before, select touch capture. What this will then do is give you the ability to press anywhere on the screen and take a photograph. When you're finished taking your photographs, press the return key and it'll take you back out onto the main screen. Thanks very much for watching this clip on the Sony Ericsson X10's 8.1 megapixel camera along with the face recognition feature. Look out for some more clips online.